What if your evening drink could support your skin without complicated routines? Not a miracle, not an instant transformation, but a simple habit. That may help your body stay hydrated, supported, and balanced over time. As we age, our skin naturally changes. Collagen production slows, hydration becomes more important, and small daily habits can make a real difference. In this video, we'll explore simple drinks, how they work, and how to use them safely as part of a healthy lifestyle. Stay until the end to learn how to build a routine that supports your skin naturally. As we get older, changes in the skin are completely natural. Nothing is wrong. It's simply how the body evolves over time. One of the most important changes involves collagen. Collagen is a protein that helps give the skin its structure. It supports firmness, elasticity, and overall texture. When we are younger, the body produces collagen efficiently. Skin tends to look smoother and more resilient, but as the years pass, this production gradually slows down. This doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow, continuous process, and it's influenced by many factors. Age is one, but lifestyle also plays a role. For example, hydration levels, sun exposure, sleep quality, daily nutrition. All of these can influence how the skin looks and feels. Now let's talk about hydration. As we age, the skin may retain less moisture. This can make it appear drier, less plump, sometimes more fragile. That's why hydration becomes more important over time. But here's something many people misunderstand. Hydration is not just about drinking large amounts of water. It's about how your body uses that water and how well your overall routine supports it, because your body needs balance, not extremes. Another factor is daily stress and recovery. When the body is under constant stress, recovery processes can become less efficient. This includes the skin's ability to maintain its natural balance. That's why sleep and relaxation matter more than people think. Now let's address expectations. Many people look for quick solutions, fast results, instant changes. But the body doesn't work that way. Skin health is built over time, through consistent habits, small actions repeated daily, not drastic changes. Now here's the key idea. You cannot completely stop the natural aging process, but you can support your body. You can create conditions that help your skin stay healthier for longer. This includes staying properly hydrated, eating balanced meals, maintaining good sleep habits, reducing unnecessary stress. And this is where simple habits come in, not complex routines, not expensive treatments, just consistent, supportive actions. Because over time, these small habits can influence how your skin looks and feels. In the next chapter, we'll explore a simple type of drink that may support hydration and overall skin health, and how it fits into a balanced daily routine. Now that you understand how skin changes over time, let's talk about something simple you can do daily. Not a miracle solution, not a quick fix, just a small habit that may support your body. And that starts with what you drink. First, let's be clear. Water is essential. You should not stop drinking water. Your body depends on it. But sometimes, adding small natural elements to your routine can make it easier to stay consistent and support overall hydration. Let's explore a few simple options. 1. Warm water with lemon. This is one of the most common habits people use. Adding a small amount of lemon to water can make it more enjoyable to drink, encourage better hydration habits, provide a light, refreshing taste. Some people find that starting or ending the day with this helps them stay consistent. It's simple and easy to maintain. 2. Herbal teas. Herbal teas like chamomile or mint are another good option. They are naturally light and calming, and they can support relaxation, help create a calming routine, encourage fluid intake. Better relaxation often leads to better sleep, and better sleep supports overall recovery, including skin. 3. Light electrolyte support. As we age, maintaining fluid balance becomes more important. In some cases, adding a small amount of electrolytes from natural foods or balanced sources can help your body retain fluids more effectively. This doesn't mean sugary drinks. It means balanced intake. For example, a pinch of salt in water, very small amount, foods naturally rich in minerals, always keep it moderate. 4. Warm water with a touch of honey. A small amount of honey in warm water can make the drink more pleasant. This may help you. Drink more regularly. Build a consistent routine. Again, moderation is key. Now here's the most important idea. These drinks are not collagen boosters. They don't instantly change your skin, but they can support hydration, consistency, relaxation, and these factors play a role in how your body functions, including your skin. Think about it this way. Before, you forget to drink water, you rely on sugary drinks, your routine is inconsistent. After, you have a simple drink habit, you stay more hydrated, your routine becomes stable. Small difference, but meaningful over time. And that's the real goal. Not perfection, not extremes, just consistency. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to use these drinks correctly and what mistakes to avoid so you don't reduce their benefits. Now that you know which simple drinks can support your routine, let's talk about how to use them properly, because even the best habits can lose their value if they're done the wrong way. The goal is not to do more. The goal is to do it consistently and correctly. 1. Timing matters. When you drink can make a difference. Some people prefer starting their day with a simple drink. Others prefer the evening. There's no strict rule, but consistency is key. For example, morning supports hydration after sleep. Evening supports relaxation and routine. Pick a time that fits your lifestyle and keep it regular. 2. Don't overdo it. This is one of the most common mistakes. Thinking more is better. But your body doesn't need excessive amounts. Too much liquid at once can be uncomfortable and may not improve hydration. So keep it simple. 1 glass at a time. Spread throughout the day. Balance is always better than excess. 3. Avoid sugary additions. Adding too much sugar defeats the purpose. Some people turn a simple drink into a sweet beverage. That reduces the benefits. Instead, keep ingredients minimal. Use small amounts only, because the goal is support, not overload. 4. Pay attention to your body. Everyone is different. Some people respond quickly, others take more time. So observe how you feel. Energy levels, comfort daily routine. Your body gives feedback, and adjusting based on that feedback is important. 5. Combine with good habits. This is where many people make a mistake. They focus only on the drink, but ignore everything else. Your results depend on sleep quality, nutrition, stress levels, daily habits. The drink is just one part, a small part, but when combined with good habits, it becomes more effective. 6. Avoid unrealistic expectations. Let's be clear, this is not a quick transformation, not a fix, not something that changes everything overnight. Your skin responds to long-term consistency, small habits, repeated daily. That's what creates results. Now here's the key idea. It's not about the drink itself, it's about the routine around it. A simple habit, done regularly, supported by a healthy lifestyle, and over time, that's what makes the difference. In the next chapter, we'll bring everything together and show how small daily habits, including these simple drinks, can support your skin, hydration, and overall well-being over the long term. Now let's bring everything together, because at this point, one thing should be clear. There is no single drink that transforms your skin, no shortcut, no instant solution. What really matters is your daily routine. 1. Small habits repeated daily. Your body responds to what you do consistently, not occasionally, not once in a while, but every day. That's why simple habits matter more than complex ones. A glass of water, a calming tea, a balanced meal. These may seem small, but repeated over time, they create real impact. 2. Hydration as a foundation. Hydration supports your entire body, including your skin. When your body is properly hydrated, skin may feel more comfortable, Dryness may be reduced. Overall balance improves. But remember, it's not about drinking excessively. It's about regular, steady hydration throughout the day. 3. Nutrition still comes first. What you eat matters just as much as what you drink. Your skin depends on nutrients from your diet, so focus on whole foods, fruits and vegetables, balanced meals, because your body builds and maintains itself from within, and no drink can replace that. 4. Sleep and recovery. Your skin does important work while you sleep. Repair, regeneration, balance. If your sleep is poor, your skin may show it. So improving sleep quality is essential. Simple actions like reducing screen time, creating a calm evening routine, keeping consistent sleep hours can support better recovery. 5. Managing stress. Stress affects your entire system, including your skin. When stress is constant, your body focuses on coping, not optimizing, so small moments of calm matter. Breathing, relaxation, slowing down. These are not luxuries. They are part of a healthy routine. 6. The real secret, consistency. This is the most important part. Not perfection, not intensity. Consistency. Because your body adapts to patterns. If your routine supports it, it responds over time. More balance, better function, and possibly better skin condition. Final reminder. Simple drinks can support hydration. They can help build better habits, but they are not replacements for medical care, balanced nutrition, healthy lifestyle choices. They are just one piece of a much bigger picture. Final outro, call to action. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Health Tips for more simple and realistic health advice. Like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and send this to someone who might find it helpful.